Hello Cookbook fan, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas. If you're new to our channel, hello, and if you're not, you probably know that I love Mediterranean food so much. Well, one of my favorite bloggers, and she posts to Facebook every single day and I have to click like and comment on her posts because they're so good, is Samantha Ferraro from the Little Ferraro Kitchen, and this is her cookbook, The Weeknight Mediterranean. Let's look through it. I have to give it back to the library in a few days. So this book promises 60 authentic, healthy recipes made quick and easy for everyday cooking. Good, I need quick and easy. Came out in 2018, Page Street Books. Let's check out the chapters. Appetizers and mezza, the main meal, easy and vibrant Mediterranean dinners. She definitely specializes in vibrant food. Soups and salads, vegetables, grains, and pulses. Sauces, dips, and spreads. I thought sauces, dips, and spreads were mezza. Oh well, that's good. Sweets and sips. Okay, let's check it out. There she is. I'm a big fangirl. Okay, introduction, the pantry. First chapter, appetizers and mezza, fast and fresh light fare. Beef and pine nut phyllo rolls. You know, I have some leftover beef from my boyfriend's taco night that doesn't have taco seasoning in it. I could use it. Heirloom tomato bruschetta with labneh. Baked feta 2 ways. Citrus roasted olives and artichoke hearts. Great appetizer. I'm going to skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Breakfast egg and avocado pastries with harissa salsa. How about grilled za'atar spice flatbread with squash blossoms? Now, I don't have any squash blossoms laying around. I guess I could go to Whole Foods. One pot paprika chicken with olives and orzo. Yum. Let's see. Poached fish, chickpeas, tomatoes, and herbs. Yogurt marinated lamb and eggplant kebabs. Pomegranate glazed lamb chops. My boyfriend doesn't eat lamb, so I wouldn't make that. Everyday chicken shawarma. Nice. Okay, moving on. Chicken skewers, slow cooker beef stew with green beans, potatoes, and spices. How good does that look for winter? Ooh, now we're in the soup and salad chapter. Roasted pepper and tomato soup with broiled halloumi cheese. Oh, I have halloumi in the house right now. Lemony chicken soup. There always has to be a lemony chicken soup recipe in Mediterranean cookbooks, right? Creamy saffron cauliflower soup with paprika oil. That looks amazing and vegetarian if I don't use chicken stock. Fennel fattoush salad with pistachios. Not one of her more colorful ones, but it looks good. Okay, here's colorful. Sweet and spicy chopped salad. I do not have time to chop before dinner tonight. Summer fruit and heirloom tomato panzanella with basil mint vinaigrette, and I grow lots of basil and lots of mint at my house, so that could work. How about jewel tabbouleh salad with couscous? Here's an autumn squash salad with figs and arugula. Oh, yum. I never think of putting figs on my salad. Now we're in the vegetable and grain chapter. And pulses, which I believe are lentils. Farro paella with seafood and chorizo. Ooh, zucchini and halloumi rollatini. Healthy. Ooh, and fun to eat. Red lentil falafel, turmeric lemon couscous with currants. Yum. And I have turmeric in the house. Baked orzo with artichokes, tomatoes, and halloumi. Love it. Basmati rice with pistachios, lima beans, and dill. Persian rice with turmeric and saffron. Mediterranean ratatouille with pistachio pesto. Imagine the flavors in that one. Whoa. Okay, gotta get to a new chapter because I can't show you everything, but now I want to show you the Mediterranean style baked omelet with potatoes and lima beans, and I want to show you the roasted turmeric potatoes with fennel slaw. Okay. Gotta get to the next chapter. Oh, easy homemade harissa sauce. No, I'm going to buy my harissa sauce. I'm sorry, I'm very busy. I'm busy looking through cookbooks all day. Pistachio pesto. Never said I was a cook. I did say I was a cookbook hoarder. Roasted beet and yogurt dip, 2 ways. Yum. Oh, we must be in the dip chapter. Yogurt feta dip. That's something I would buy from Trader Joe's because I'm busy. Okay, blood orange and pomegranate salsa. Yum. That I could make. Ooh. Roasted red pepper and tahini spread. Now we're in the sweets and sips chapter. We're getting to the end of this awesome cookbook. Baked cardamom French toast with peaches and orange blossom. That's not something I see on my breakfast table every day. Fruit rose tart with rose whipped cream. That looks kind of like a galette. It's very forgiving. You can just dump the fruit on there. Mini fig tarts with pomegranate molasses. Adorable. Okay, are there any beverages? Citrus pomegranate cocktail with cardamom. Hello. And a muddled mint and cucumber cooler. That's in every Mediterranean cookbook. That's because it's good. Love it. That was quick and easy and gorgeous. The Weeknight Mediterranean Kitchen. All these recipes did seem doable. Thanks so much for watching our cookbook review. You can see more of them at cookbookdivas.com on our website. We post to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and we have a podcast if that's your kind of thing. Bye.